Meaning of Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones. Indiana Jones is a fictional character in a series of action-adventure films. Created by George Lucas and Steven Spielberg, the character is portrayed as an archaeologist who travels the world searching for rare artifacts while facing various dangers and adversaries. The films have become widely popular and are known for their thrilling action sequences and iconic moments, such as Indiana Jones's signature whip and fedora hat. Overall, Indiana Jones represents a heroic figure who embodies adventure, exploration, and a desire for knowledge and discovery.